Homomorphic encryption is considered by some to be the holy grail of cryptography. It enables computation on encrypted data without the need to ever decrypt it throughout its entire lifecycle. This presents an unparalleled opportunity to take advantage of secure outsourced computation. As varied forms of homomorphic encryption are rapidly gaining traction in diverse use cases, the need for standardization across the field becomes more apparent. The demand for standard benchmarking is even more pronounced as homomorphic encryption solutions have become performant enough for practical use. The Homomorphic Encryption Benchmarking Framework, or HEBench for short, is an open-source flexible benchmarking framework conceived to fill the gap introduced by a lack of standard benchmarking tools. HEBench was created and continues to be maintained by the HEBench Organization as part of an industry-spanning collaboration with an aim of providing tools to allow for fair performance comparison among varied software and hardware implementations. At the highest level, HEBench offers three main components that each serve a particular function: the front end, the abstraction layer, and the backends. The front end handles the definition of tests, times workload execution, and reports results. The large majority of execution and usability tools provided with HEBench are located here. The abstraction layer is a uniform interface that defines what methods the front end is expecting each backend to implement. It provides a communication medium to allow user-implemented backends to communicate with the HEBench front end. Finally, users may write a backend to provide the implementation of operations that they want to benchmark with HEBench. This usually means taking a pre-existing homomorphic encryption workload implementation and porting it to the HEBench format. Currently, HEBench offers a variety of features to make the process of benchmarking homomorphic encryption implementations easy. 2 measurement categories for time to completion and throughput, called latency and offline, respectively. 5 predefined workloads for quick backend comparison: element-wise vector addition, element-wise vector multiplication, vector dot product, matrix multiplication, and logistic regression inference. 1 custom workload to easily test non-supported workloads, also known as the generic workload. 2 reference backends that use Seal and Palisade to show how to implement the solutions to the HEBench workloads using any homomorphic encryption library. And finally, there are also a large number of usability-focused features included with the front end. This includes things like varied output modes, customizable configuration files, and much more. Though, as was first mentioned, this is only a small introduction to HEBench's offering. If wanting to get started right away with HEBench, it's best to dive into benchmarking one of the pre-existing backends.